Hello everyone, good morning. This is Wilma. Welcome to our farm. Today guys, we're gonna separate our piglets to their mother, and we're gonna choose 2 piglets for the next breed again. So we have to go in the piggery, and with my cousin, the midwife of my pig. If delivered, she will seize the one to assist our pregnant. So midwife is coming. Sino ta di bawi mana? Happiness lang. Ano kainan natin?
Mate, may kabilang ka rin.
Ha?
May kabilang yung lubuya.
Dito.
Meron?
Babae ata?
Babae. Bilang naman.
14. 14.
Oh, dito yung ano ta.
14 nga suso?
Pero, na pa nagala.
Ano ka tapusan?
Ilang kalatan pag galaw ko.
Well, sinyalan ko. 14 suso daw.
Ano ba? Pansangit. Okay, pansangit. Ha?
Dati babae ba? Ay, dati tayo susunan eh.
Ha? Hindi nagtiyak ba?
Nagdagdag na yan.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Bakit mo ito yan?
Diba?
Hindi.
Lalaki, nagkita na yan. Ha?
Lalaki. 8, 10, 12. Katong si ato.
14? Oh, so 14 suso. Dosa jay?
Ikaw tingay kaya ito na kita kaya? Data din ito na kita. Yan, dagdaan pa. Ay, di ba? Dagdaan pa ba?
Uy. So they are already separate. This is the one we choose. This is the one of color. It's a 14 susu breast, and that one. That. I put already color so that that's the sign. That one we keep it. And this 5 is already reserved. It's the end of the month they will pick it up. Guys, this is a pure large white. This grow very fast. And this already the mother is alone. Just waiting again for the second hit. The first hit before we remove in the crib, so that make rest for a while, and we will after this we remove, we will put this the pregnant one, this one, but not now, it's still early. 1 week before delivery we will transfer in the crib. They're very thirsty, they drink a lot of water. They know how to drink nipple now because they're in their mother, they have own nipple. That's why they know.